Alright boys and girls, to make these ducted fans work, we need ESC connected here, but we need to solder stuff here, which is these little guys right here. These are the female connectors. Alright, so I got my hot solder going. Nice and shiny. Make sure you have something on the floor. Alright, I got 6 of them because I got 2 duct fans. Anyways, best thing to do here is dip it into little flux. Make sure both ends have flux. And the hard part is trying to get this flux onto, well, these are the kills we're talking about. Really hot, so be careful guys, don't burn yourself. Right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some solder here. Nice and melted. It gets really hot guys, so be careful. Once you have enough experience guys, you should be able to solder really good like me. Everyone has their way guys, you don't want to, everyone does it differently. You might not like it how I do it, but it comes out really good. Alright, it gets hot, so that's one thing you got to be careful with. You do not want to burn yourself. And the key here is to make it hot solder, not, I can't keep it cold. Once it's really melted there, guys, you can easily bind it. Once both pieces heat up, they will work together. It's a pair. Ooh, it really got hot. So I need something to hold it with. Alright guys, you got the point, just keep doing it, right? There I have 2 of these, nice and soldered. I'm gonna file them later. Bam! Look at that guys. 3 connectors that's gonna connect to the ESC, into the duct fan. My soldering might not be west guys, but I'm doing it. Good job here, according to what I think. You can always go back if you mess up and fix it up. And there it goes. Folds off. That's what I mean by fix it up. Going back, put some flux on that to clean up the tip. Alright. There's our solders ready, and it takes only a second. Alright guys, got all 3 and all 3 soldered. Alright, let it cool off. Let's unplug our little machine. Let it sit there. Make sure you don't burn your hands. And what we'll do next is we'll take the heat shrinks and put them on. 2 shrinks here. I measure the size. 2 more. 2 more. So all we're gonna do is put this on, and then we'll heat it and it will shrink. 1, 2, 3. Guys, got my little lighter here. Let's see if it comes on. I did one already right there. This one is done. And let's see if my lighter comes on. And all you do is you give it some heat and it will shrink. I will grab it, grip it. And it'll be perfect. This one came off. Put this one back on. He shrink this little guy. Don't worry if you come out of the edge in the front, you can always trim it. You don't need to color code these because you can reverse a polarity if your motor is going the wrong way. So be careful, you don't burn yourself. I got a lot of tubes. I got like 2 boxes of these heat shrink tubes because I use them a lot. Alright guys, just follow those steps and do the rest of it, and bada bing bada boom, we'll do a part 2 on this side because I'm going to be connecting 6S LiPo to this.